हेलो गाइस, मैं हूँ जोशी और आप देख रहे हैं मेरे चैनल। आज मैं लेकर आया हूँ एक नया मिक्सर ग्राइंडर। इसको ओपन करता हूँ, देखता हूँ इसमें क्या है अंदर में।
मैं फोटो ले रहा हूँ।
छोटा सा मिक्सर ग्राइंडर।
For 30 minutes continuously without losing the original flavors of the juices in the food. You have a superior stainless steel juicer mesh, a detachable anti-drip spout, an overload protector, and a stainless steel 3 or 4 blades for finest grinding results. If you flip the product, the top, you can see the basic retail information from the year, month and year of manufacturing. And you also have the customer care number in case you have any problem. Without any further ado, let's move on to opening the box. As you can see, the juicer mixer grinder comes with a standard user manual with a warranty card right at the back. Now let me move these aside. Let me now talk about the main unit. It comes in an elegant black and silver finish, which gives it a beautiful look. It has a 3-speed chrome knob, an anti-spill juice spout. On top, you have a transparent lid, a juice pusher, and a locking mechanism on one side and a push button on the other to remove the entire unit when you want to use the other attachment. This makes it very easy to clean as well.